Hello friends, I'm here to share my AutoCAD experience with you all, for who interest to learn.
AutoCAD is one of the most popular computer-aided design software programs used by engineers, architects, interior designers, and drafters all over the world. It helps create 2D drawings and 3D models with high accuracy and detail. With AutoCAD, you can design anything, from building plans, mechanical parts, and furniture layouts, to electrical schematics and plumbing drawings. It replaces manual drafting with digital precision, allowing easy editing, scaling, and visualization. Okay. Let's start with beginning. I will show you how to download and install AutoCAD from Get Into PC website. It's totally free. Just follow my instructions. You should turn off internet connection and virus protection. Okay, let's try how to set some basic setting in AutoCAD. You can do it as your requirement. I'll teach you most important shortcut keys in my next videos. Thanks for watching. And let's meet in my next videos. We will start some basic drawing with tools commands. I'm sure you will be more excited.